Welcome everyone. Today I'm just gonna be showing you how I make my pressed plantains. I hope everyone is having a good day, and be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so, and thank you so much for watching my video. I truly appreciate it, and be sure to leave a comment to let me know how the recipe turned out for you, and keep that notification button on so as not to miss any videos once I post. So there I cut my plantain in 3 pieces, and I sprinkled some creole seasoning on it instead of salt. I just like the flavor of the creole seasoning. And you're going to let the plantains brown on each side. You just spin it every maybe 3 minutes on, and make sure your flame is on medium, and you just spin it until all the sides have become brown somewhat, so that when you press them it doesn't break apart too much. So I'm going to be using an empty glass bottle that is clean, and I just use the bottom as you see there, and you just press it all the way down, and then you take it back and you put it in your skillet and sprinkle some more of the creole seasoning on it as well. And then you're gonna brown each side of the plantains until they're crispy, and you just add however much salt you would like, or the creole seasoning like I have there, and then you serve it with, like I have fried eggs and some sausage or whatever meat kind you choose to do, or you can just have it by yourself. This is a regular breakfast item for us in the Caribbean. So we just make sure that both sides of our plantain is brown and crispy. And you can also use the green plantains if you have it. And then once they're through frying, you put them on some paper towel just to drain. And I thank you so much for watching. This is a quick one. So see you on the next video. Thank you and bye.